how you can fix call setting error on iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's get started. Now, to fix call setting error on your iPhone, that might be a network error or SIM card error, what you'll have to do is just force restart your iPhone first. Now, to force restart your iPhone, just press and quickly release the volume up button and then press and release the volume down button. After you do that, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, just release the side button. And after that, your iPhone will force restart. And after it force restarts, what you'll do is just check if the error is still there. And if it's still there, what you'll have to do is just go to your settings and make sure that you're connected to your network. And after you do that, go to general, and after you're on general, scroll down and find the transfer or reset iPhone option. Now go there and tap on reset. After you do that, tap on reset network settings and type in your passcode, and after you type that in, your phone will restart again. But when it restarts this time, your network settings and your network errors will get fixed, and your problem will get fixed too. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.